we're back on the road again here. Put some diesel in Albacete. Completely full. And it's absolutely pitch black here now. Heading away towards Madrid. About 200 kilometers away. And I'll show you the difference between the Scania lights on here when it's a bit quieter after. This is just a regular lights on, it's still quite bright, but when you put your main beams you want to see the difference. It's literally night and day. It's like you've been kidnapped by an alien, or if you flash it twice in England you think it's a speed camera flashing you. So yeah, inside the cabin of the Scania it's really nice at night time. All green, reds, lit up quite nice. It's nice and relaxing here, so as you can see not much traffic at the moment. When we get near Madrid afterwards there'll probably be a bit more traffic at night time. I think Real Madrid playing Real Mallorca. I'm not sure if they're playing at home or away, preferably away, because if it's at home the traffic will be horrendous. So fingers crossed we're not going to hit any kind of football traffic, because I need every ounce of driving time, every hour, every minute, to make sure I make the boat tomorrow. I need to get there an hour before we leave to allow for checking in and etc, etc, security checks. Right, we've had the break. We've got another 4.5 hours to go. Total for the day 4 hours and 57 minutes. And the policia is up there. Let's get back on the road. We've had the break. They've just been patrolling around this services here. Must have found some dodgy character. Sometimes you do have a few thieves try to steal people's cargo and diesel, so they're probably just double checking to make sure there's no
In 50 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto the E901, A3 slip road to Tarancón, Madrid.
No sé si dijera. Hola, buenas, dice de pasar para la derecha, pero no puedo pasar para aquí porque el coche.
Pero que está prohibida.
¿Dónde para salir? ¿Para aquí?
Para salir tienes que ir por aquí, pero
lo siento. Lo siento, no lo sabes, es primera vez aquí, lo siento.
Sal por aquí ya por no dar marcha atrás. Sal por aquí, pero ten cuidado que vienen los camiones por la izquierda.
Perfecto.
¿Vale?
Sí, muchas gracias, lo siento, mi amigo, lo siento, muchas gracias. Apparently the exit's there. There's no sign, so he just said to me just to be careful. Rather nice of him anyway. But yeah, that bloody truck services, there was no sign to get out for. It was just what? For it was a two-way in, two-way out, so just goes to show when you can speak with local lingo can get you out of a situation. my camera on then. Nice bit of action. Inadvertently, mind you, not on bloody purpose. And this is another one of my points here. Whenever you go, wherever you go to in the world, try to learn the local lingo. Even if you try to speak a few sentences, a few words, can keep you in good stead. Like that situation there. If I didn't have the clue what he was saying to me, didn't have a understand a bit of Spanish, you could have been just could have put it this way, it could have turned out slightly more differently. So yeah, this is another tip I always say, learn the lingo. You know, we always make a point of all the Johnny foreigners. I hate that term, I don't know who fucking Johnny is, but Johnny foreigners, when they come to England they have to learn the language, which I completely 110% agree with. Because if you can't read, write, speak, how can you navigate if you can't read road signs, prohibitions, no trucks allowed, or any kind of instructions in English in England? So the same needs to be said when you go overseas. You know, try to learn the local lingo. Trucking, it's an international job, and it doesn't really know any kind of barriers. So yeah, so we've got the rain again on the way towards Madrid now. We've got 504 kilometers to go. Sat nav saying 5 hours and 38. I've got 4 hours and 55, which I thought I was going to do anyway. I was going to run about 40 minutes shy of Bilbao. And Real Madrid are at home tonight, so they're finished playing, so it's quite late now, so we'll miss all the traffic.
There's a mobile speed camera reported ahead.
And this is where Google Maps is very, very handy. It lets you know about any speed cameras or any policia. Stop recording. Stuff it.
In 600 meters, merge onto AP1. Take the next left, then turn right.
There's a difference between European parking and UK parking here. I've done this before. Sometimes as you run out of space, you just got to park wherever you can. And again, just in case if you're unsure, get out and look, which I will do in a minute to see how close I am to the guy behind me, just in case. Oh, plenty of space. Let's have a quick look. Need to make sure I leave him room so you can manoeuvre as well on the way out. There's nothing worse than a park when you're tired as well. Let's have a quick look. Shouldn't be too far off. Yeah. Tiny little bit more back. Wee bit forward. Just enough room so we can manoeuvre. Right, should we call it a day? 133 kilometres. Damn it, I've still got 50 more minutes left to go. Christ, right, okay. 550 to take us to 640. Right, let's have a quick 45-minute break. Head down and then crack on down the road a bit more. Or should I just stay here? What time is it now? 5:08. If I put myself on break, Christ, that would help. Right, break. 5:08, 9, 2:08. Let's just call it a night. Stuff it safe here. That'll do us for one night. And I can be able to fill up some diesel here also, I think.